Wow, really? Is it possible? To know details, just watch this video first to last to be surprised. To get more this related video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Let's start. Hello friends, this is Wikidia IT. Welcome to my another video. Today we'll talk about affiliate marketing secret tips. How to get $102,000, how to get commission. Inflation has reached record levels and price on just about everything remain high. Congress has worked to pass legislation such as the Inflation Reduction Act aimed at lowering costs for Americans. But there are still questions about whether it will solve inflation. Cutting corners and careful budgeting can help, but it might not always be enough. If you are looking to reduce some financial stress, you might want to consider creating a passive income stream. Fortunately, the internet makes this easier than you'd think. There are dozens of ways to make money online without any special training like affiliate marketing. Today, we'll talk about 2 ways of affiliate marketing program. First of all, we'll see some questions. Many people ask these questions about affiliate marketing. Number 1, how to become an affiliate marketer in easy way. You have 6 steps to start affiliate marketing professionally. Number 1, choose a niche. Every affiliate marketer has a niche in which they try to influence their audience. Number 2, evaluate market demand. Number 3, analyze the competition. Number 4, research affiliate programs. Number 5, pick your affiliate marketing methods. Number 6, create and polish top niche content. Okay. Then many audience ask the question, how do affiliates get paid? If you want to know, business pay affiliate commissions to bloggers and social media influencers that refer readers to their website through a link, increasing traffic. Some payouts are pay per click and others are pay per action, requiring lead information from the affiliate marketing referrer or sales. How do I start affiliate marketing with no money? I have no money, but how can I start my affiliate program? You have 5 steps. Number 1, start or find a niche or a good affiliate program. The first and most important things is figuring out what you want to talk about and promote. In other words, your niche. Number 2, decide on one traffic channel. Number 3, create killer content because content is the king. Number 4, promote like crazy. Viral it. Number 5, scale it up or grow up your program link. Yes, how much do affiliate programs get paid? $100 to $2,000. How much does the Amazon affiliate program pay, or ClickBank or others program pay? You can earn on average from $100 to $2,000 from the Amazon affiliate program, depending on how many refers you generate for Amazon. The Amazon affiliate program operates on a commission basis, meaning you will make a percentage per sale. Okay, now I'll show the example. What is an example of affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is when you sell somebody else's product online for a commission. For example, an entrepreneur or an established company may have a product or a catalog of products, either digital or physical. They let others promote and sell those products, paying them a commission every time they sell something. We'll talk about 2 favorite and famous affiliate marketing program. Number 1, ClickBank. ClickBank is a global e-commerce platform and affiliate marketplace founded in 1998. This company has more than 6 million clients all over worldwide, which secured it in becoming 87th largest internet retailer in North America. Number 2, Amazon affiliate program. This is the best and famous and popular affiliate program in the world. As the largest online retailer, Amazon has over 12 million products and sales an average of 17 million every hour, resulting in net revenue of 386.06 billion in 2022. However, the company isn't the only one making a fortune. Affiliate marketers can make up around 45% of the site's market share, with over 9 million members. It is also one of the world's largest famous and popular affiliate networks. Okay friends, today's over. See you again in another video. We'll talk about Amazon affiliation in details, step by step. Just stay with us to be a professional affiliate marketer. To get more this related video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Tata, bye bye, thank you.